Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create one simple comb in Maya. So let's start. First I am going to create slender in front view. Just click and drag like this and move it like this, and then I am going to create I am going to select subdivisions of cap. I am going to create 0 subdivisions, and then I am going to increase segments like this. Subdivisions of height I am going to put 10, and then I am going to select all the vertices and I am going to scale from this axis like this, and then I am going to scale it a little bit inwards, and then I am going to click here and I am going to scale it like this. Okay, so we have something like this. Then I am going to select all these subdivisions, all these edges, double click on this and I'm going to give bevel edge, and fraction I am going to give 0.2, and then I am going to select these faces, shift right click and extrude, and I am going to extrude it a little bit like this, and then I am going to click on this face and I am going to scale it a little bit inwards like this, and then G to repeat, W for move tool. I am going to put it here and I am going to select these faces and I am going to extrude it. Shift right click and extrude, and this edge I am going to select this edge, shift right click and bevel, and I am going to bevel it a little bit like this. So we have something like this. Press 3 for smooth selection. So we have something like this, and then I am going to create another cylinder. Also I am going to click on this face, double click on this face, extrude. I am going to select this. I am going to insert one edge here. I am going to click on this face, double click on this face, and I am going to delete it. And then I am going to click on this face, extrude. I am going to little bit extrude it here like this. Click on these edges, spacebar, mesh and separate. So this is different part now. Modify center pivot. I am going to scale it a little bit. And here I am going to scale it a little bit here. And then I am going to create another cylinder in this view. Again I am going to scale it a little bit like this. Cap subdivision I am going to give 0. Then I am going to click this face, shift right click and extrude, and I am going to extrude it a little bit here. I am going to double click on this face and I am going to extrude it here like this. So we have something like this. Click this, assign new material, Lambert and glue white color, and this part assign new material Lambert and give black color, not black, gray color. Okay, okay, so we have something like this. Now again click on this cylinder, click here, double click here, and here turn on this rounded cap and cap segments, give it 5 and then scale it little bit like this. And move it little bit here. Now press Ctrl, select this as an existing material and give Lambert 3, and here press Ctrl D to duplicate, click it here and press Shift D, 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 Shift D. Select all these handles and push him in. So we have something like this. Select all these mesh and combine, and pivot point we have to press D and move it here, and now press E, Ctrl D to duplicate, move it little bit here and press Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, Shift D. So we have something like this. If you want, you can also delete this. Okay, wait 1 second. Select this mesh, separate, click on all these middle handles. I don't know what they call, I'm calling these handles, and delete it. Now click here, okay, I'm going to select this, press D, Ctrl D, and I'm going to move it little bit here like this. Press Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, Shift D. So here is our comb ready. If you want, you can also change the color of the comb. So here is simple comb model. Press 3 for smooth selection. So this is very simple comb. I hope you guys like this video. That's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.